Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to start our notebook work. First you put the date and day and write the heading 4 times table. Complete it in your notebook. On the next page children, you write 5 times table. Complete it and do neat and clean handwriting. Children, now we learn about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means position words. Definition of ordinal number. Ordinal number tell us the position of a person, place or any object. Children, you note down the definition of ordinal number in your notebook. You know children, we use ordinal number in our day-to-day life. For example, you sit in your classroom according to your roll numbers. Example, first, second, third, fourth and so on. Your daily routine is sequenced in a order. First, you wake up in the morning. Second, you put on your clothes. Third, you brush your teeth and take a bath and so on. Let's take another example. Your building has different floors. You use ordinal number to define the position of the floors. First floor, second floor, third floor. Okay children? You learn 1 to 10th ordinal number, first to 10th ordinal number in your previous class, class 1. Today we start the ordinal number from 11th till 28th. You put the date and day and note down the ordinal numbers 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and in the last we read it 28th. What we read it? 28th. Please copy down all the spellings in your notebook. Children, now take out your countdown book and open page number 30. Put the date and day. And write classwork. Read the heading, addition, converting ones. Exercise 6, add. A part is already done for you. Now we start part B. Children, we always start counting from the right side of one's place. Look at the numbers in ones place, 8 and 4. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 8. You put 8 in your mind and take out your 4 fingers and start counting. 8 is in our mind and 4 on the finger. Start counting. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, the answer is 12. Children, 12 is 2-digit answer. Look here, 12. 12 is 2-digit answer. We can't write in one's column. बेटा मैं आपको पहले भी ये रूल समझा चुकी हूँ बेटा कि वंस के कॉलम में हमेशा 0 till 9 तक के नंबर्स हम लिख सकते हैं. 1 digit number we write in the ones column. But now we have 12 and 12 is 2 digit number, so we write 2 in the ones column and 1 we put on the tens column like this. Now we start counting in tens column. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 3 or 1? 3. 3 is in our mind and 1 on the finger. 3 plus 1 is 4. We write in the tens column. Now children, you complete exercise 6. Exercise 7, add these. Beta, it is your homework. Right here, homework. A part is already done. We start the part B. We start from ones column. Okay, first we start from the ones side. 8 is in our mind because 8 is the bigger number and 4 on the fingers. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 2 digit answer we have. So we write here 2 and 1 goes on the tens column like this. Okay. Now we have 3 numbers in tens column. So first we count 2 numbers. 1 plus 6. 6 is in our mind and 1 on the finger. 6 plus 1 is, yes, 7. Okay. Now put the 7 in your mind. 7 in our mind and take out your 2 fingers. Count after 7. 8, 9. Yes, answer is 9. Now complete this exercise. It is your homework. Now children, move forward to the page 31. Children, addition, converting ones. First you put the date and day. Don't forget to put the date and day. And exercise 8 is your classwork. Addition, converting ones. Beta, we already done this exercise on the previous page 30. हम पेज 30 पे ये एक्सरसाइज ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, बट आई एक्सप्लेन पार्ट बी अगेन. स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम वन साइड. फर्स्ट 5 and 4. 5 is the bigger number, so 5 is in our mind and 4 on the finger. Start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. We write here and start counting from second column, tens column. Yes, 6 is in our mind and 1 on the finger. Our count after 6, yes, 7. It is very easy sums, beta. You complete it as fast. Okay children, complete this exercise as fast as you can. Read caption 9. Question is, write the sum in the box and find the answer. A part is already done. First we make the column of tens and ones, then we write the numbers and count it. Read the question A. Maha plants 25 trees. Aisha plants 18 more. How many trees do they plant all together? Children, first we write here 25, then 18. Start counting. 8 is in our mind and 5 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We write here 3 and 1 carried. Count in tens column. Start counting. 2 is in our mind and 1 on the finger. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, read part B. A monkey eats 29 bananas and then 12 more. How many bananas does he eat altogether? Children, first we make the column of tens and ones like this. The first number is 29. We write 2 in the tens column and 9 in the ones column. Second number is 12. We write 1 in the tens column and 2 in the ones column and put the sign of plus. Start counting 9 in our mind, 2 on the finger. Count after 9. Take out your 2 finger and count after 9. After 9, 10, 11. We can't write 11 here, so we write 1 in ones column and 1 on the top of 2. Yes, start counting. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now complete part C, page number 31. Now children, open page 33. Put the date and day and write classwork. Read the caption, addition of 3-digit numbers. No conversion. Let us add together 132 and 241. बेटा इस पेज पे जब हम 3 डिजिट नंबर्स के सम सीखेंगे, ऑलरेडी हम 2 डिजिट के एडिशन सम सीख चुके हैं. आज हम 3 डिजिट नंबर्स को काउंट करना सीखेंगे. नो कन्वर्शन. इसमें हम कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे कि हमारे पास वंस के कॉलम में 2 डिजिट नंबर आ रहे हैं तो हम उसको टेंस के कॉलम में कन्वर्ट करें. नो बेटा, दे आर ऑल वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल सम्स. First, we write and count how to count in hundreds, tens and ones. 100, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, 1, 2, 2 ones. 132. 241, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 1 ones. Count it, beta. 1, 1, 2, 3. How many ones? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens? 7 tens. Now in the last we count 100. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Now remember children, first we count ones, then tens, and in the last we count hundreds. Look here, first we count ones. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then tens, 3 plus 4 is 7. And in the last 100, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now children, caption and read. Number 1. Now add these. A part is already done for you. Let's start part B. We start our sums from the ones side. Start counting from the ones side. 4 is in our mind and 2 on the finger. Start counting after 4. Take out your 2 fingers. Yes. 5, 6. Answer is 6. Now in the tens column, start counting. 6 is in our mind and 3 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the 9 in the tens column. Start counting 100. 5 is in our mind, 2 on the finger. After 5, 6 and 7. Answer is 7. Now children, complete part C, D, E, F, G, H and I. These are all very easy sums. You do it fast. Now children, open page 34. Put the date and day and write homework. Beta, it is your homework. Read the caption. Addition of 3-digit numbers converting ones. बेटा इस पेज पे हम सीखेंगे वंस के कॉलम में अगर हमारा आंसर 2 डिजिट आता है तो किस तरह से हम उसमें फर्स्ट डिजिट को तो हम वंस के कॉलम में लिखेंगे और सेकंड वाले डिजिट को हम कैरेट कर देंगे कहाँ, टेंस के कॉलम में. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क. लेट्स अस ऐड टुगेदर 267 एंड 115. बेटा इधर हमने 100 को काउंट किया. वी हैव 3 हंड्रेड्स. नाउ काउंट द टेंस, 7 टेंस. जब हमने वंस को काउंट किया तो वी हैव 12 ones. But beta, we can't write 12 ones in the ones column. So we write 2 in the ones column and 1 will be carried on the tens. So we have 3 digit in tens column and 2 digit in 100 columns. Count the numbers. 7 plus 5 is 12. We write 2 here and 1 will be carried to the tens. Now add 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Count the 100. 2 plus 1 is 3. The answer after conversion is 300, 8 tens and 2 ones. यानी बेटा 382. The same rule always remember. First we count the ones, then we count tens and in the last we count 100. Part A is already done for you. We start part B. Start from one side. 9 is in our mind and 6 on the finger. You take out your 6 fingers and count after 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and answer is 15. Yes, we have the answer 15, but we can't write in the ones column. So we write 5 here and 1 will be carried to the tens. Now children, we have 3 digit in tens column. 1, 2 and 3. First we count 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is, yes, 6. In the last 100 we have single number in hundreds column. कोई और दूसरा नंबर बेटा यहाँ पे नहीं है, सिर्फ 5, only 5 we have. So we write here 5 क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई दूसरा नंबर ही नहीं है जिसको हम काउंट करेंगे. Now complete this page with the help of my given example. Page number 34. Now children, open page 35. Read the first, you put the date and day and write classwork. Read the caption. Addition word problems. Question 2 is add to the answer these converting where necessary. Question A, children, first we read the question, then solve the sum. Read the question A. Saima has 151 stamps. She collects 109 more. How many stamps does she have altogether? Children, write H T O for the place value of the digits. Okay. How many stamps has Saima? Yes, Saima has 151 stamps. She collect 109 more. Now count it, children. 9 is in our mind and 1 on the finger. Count after 9. Yes, answer is 10. So 0 will be go in one's column and 1 will be carried to the tens. बेटा हमेशा क्या होता है, हम जब सम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं तो कैरी को काउंट करना भूल जाते हैं. बेटा सबसे पहले ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि हम कैरी को काउंट करेंगे. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 because we don't have another number. So we count only 1 and 5. The answer is 6. Now count the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is, yes, 2. So Saima collect 260 stamps. Read question B. Mazhar is reading a storybook on Saturday. He read 244 pages. Saturday को बेटा उसने कितने pages read किए? 244. And on Sunday 126 pages. How many pages did he read over the weekend? First we write the 100, tens and ones. 100, tens और ones. अब बेटा फर्स्ट सैटरडे को उसने कितने पेजेस रीड किए? 244. वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग द नंबर्स फ्रॉम द वन साइड. 4, 4 and 2. On Sunday, how many pages बेटा? 126. Start writing. Ones में हमने 6 लिखा, tens में हमने 2 लिखा and in the last number is 100. So we write in the 100 place. Okay. Now start counting. Same बेटा उसी तरह हम काउंट करना शुरू करेंगे. 6 is in our mind and 4 on the finger. So we take out our 4 fingers. Start counting after 6. What comes after 6? Yes, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. बेटा हम इधर क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, we write 0 in one's place and 1 will be carried to the tens. अब बेटा again we have 3 digits here. First we count 2 digits 1 and 4 ताकि बेटा हम कैरी को काउंट करना ना भूलें. सबसे पहले हम कैरी को और नेक्स्ट नंबर को काउंट करेंगे. सो वी काउंट 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is, yes, 5. Take out 2 fingers. Yes, count after 5. 6, 7. The answer is 7. And in the last we count the 100. 2 plus 1 is, yes, you know the answer. Yes, 3. So how many pages Mazhar read? 370 pages. Now children, you complete part C, D and E of page 35. Yes children, open page 37. Put the date and day and write classwork. Read the caption. Addition of several numbers converting ones. Exercise 3. Complete these sums. Put your finger on question number A, part A. Children, in this page we follow the same method of page 34. First we count the ones, then tens, and in the last 100. Beta, we have 3 digits in ones place. अब बेटा हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स हैं 4, 9 एंड 8. सो बेटा हम वंस को काउंट करने के लिए सबसे पहले वी फाइंड 2 बिगर नंबर्स. इस लाइन में से हम 2 बिगर्स नंबर्स को फाइंड करेंगे. टेल मी विच इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर. नंबर्स बताइए बेटा. यस, 9 एंड 8. सो फर्स्ट वी काउंट 9 एंड 8. 9 in our mind and 8 on the finger. Count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. बेटा हमने 9 और 8 को प्लस किया, हमारे पास आंसर आया 17. लेकिन अभी भी वी हैव 4 हमारे पास बेटा बचा हुआ है, तो हम 17 को माइंड में रखेंगे और अगेन वी टेक आउट आवर 4 फिंगर्स. दोबारा से हम अपनी 4 फिंगर्स को निकालेंगे और याद रखेंगे कि हमें 17 के बाद काउंट करना है. 9 और 8 को प्लस किया था, आंसर हमारे पास 17 आया था. अब हमने 4 को काउंट करेंगे. कैसे? काउंट आफ्टर 17. 18, 19, 20 and 21. Answer is 21. Look here, answer is 21. तो बेटा first number we write in the ones place. बेटा first number क्या है? Look here, 1. So we write 1 in the 1 place and 2 will be carried to the tens. सेकेंड नंबर हमारे पास 2 है, इसलिए 2 will be carried to the tens. जब हमने बेटा लुक हियर 21 लिखा, फर्स्ट नंबर हमारा वंस के कॉलम में आया और सेकेंड नंबर हमारा टेंस के कॉलम में. अब हम काउंट करेंगे. 2 + 1 इज, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी 0 है, यहाँ भी 0 है, वी हैव ओनली 2 नंबर्स. 2 + 1 is, yes, give me answer, 3. Okay, now children, count the hundreds. 3 + 1 is 4. Now start part B. First we start from the ones column. Find the biggest number. Yes, 9 and 9. 9 is in our mind and 9 on the finger. Start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. What is the answer? Yes, 18. बेटा 18 हम अपने माइंड में रखेंगे. Now 7 is left. We start after 18. Start counting after 18. You take out your 7 fingers and start counting. हमारे माइंड में क्या था? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. बेटा देखिए ये 25 है. अब बताइए which number we write in the ones column. First number we write in the ones place and second number will be carried on the tens. Write 2 in tens column. Now start counting in tens column. Okay, first we count 2 + 2 is 4 and 4 + 4 is 8. Now start counting in 100 column. 4 + 2 is 6. Now children, complete this page.